Okay, what's up, you guys? My name is Mats, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about what actually makes a good DJ. So, this is, an interesting topic because, especially when you look around in the DJ industry, the music industry, you see it a lot that producers become world famous through making their music, and then they're playing in front of a crowd and they suck at it. And there's a very good reason for this because being a DJ and being a producer, they're two completely different things. And they also require two completely different skill sets. So that's actually where this difference comes from. And today I want to go into a little bit about what actually makes a good DJ and then specifically when you're performing live. So when you're performing live, there's two things to take into account. On the one hand, there is your music. There's a lot of things that go into making that good, and I think this is the most missed thing, or at least the thing that most DJs they're not as aware of. And there's also a different side to it, and that is the performance. So let's get into a little bit of both, and I'll give you a couple examples of what actually makes a good DJ. So, the music itself, there's like a couple things that go into this. Of course, there is your track selection. So, you want to bring good music, of course, and being a DJ means that people expect you to have good music taste. So, you should bring like your best music to a performance. And the way you like build up your set, the peaks, the troughs, the progression, the journey that you take your public along with you, that's very important because that really showcases how connected you are to your public. And it's definitely something that you should think of, like how am I going to give like a perfect night out or a very good musical journey to the people listening to me. And so it's not just about having the right tracks, but it's also like how am I like creating the right kind of atmosphere, how am I like going from one song to the next, what mood am I setting. And there's a lot of crowd reading involved as well, and this is something that I went into a little bit more in the last video. But the music is definitely one big part of being a good performer. And there's a second part, of course, and this is like how are you performing yourself? Because especially nowadays, I think this was a little bit different like 40 years ago, but especially nowadays, it's very important that you're giving off a certain vibe as well. And as a DJ, you're supposed to be like a little bit of this cool, mysterious person, and you're definitely like in the center of attention, and everyone is just looking at the DJ. So that makes it very important to bring a certain presence to your performance as well. And I think this is something that a lot of DJs miss actually. Like if you're looking at actual singers, then it's very different. They know they're on a stage, they're walking around, they're interacting a bit more with the public. But then I see a lot of DJs and then they're just like doing the music, like they're playing their tracks, but they're not really resonating their whole being into the performance. And this is very important as well, because if you're like dancing along to your own tracks and you're having a lot of fun and you're giving off this cool vibe, then people are much more trusting you. They're much more like allowing themselves to go crazy as well, because you're basically setting the tone. And so there's a couple things that you have to keep in mind with this part of the performing arts, and that's like the way you dress, the way you present yourself, like having a cool sense or unique sense of style. That's very important. like especially if you look at social media now, that the DJs that really blow up, they're very like distinct, and this is something that you should think of. Like, what is your brand? What is your appearance saying about yourself and about your music? And there's, of course, like I said before, dancing along to your own set, the energy you're giving off. This is also a big part of what actually makes you nice to look at. And believe me, when you're in the center of attention, you are supposed to be just DJing and going crazy to your own music. Because yeah, it's actually what makes a good DJ, that they're also just having the right kind of vibe. Okay, so that's a little bit of the insights that I wanted to give you today. I hope this helps you in some way, and yeah, stay safe. It's been a fucking crazy time here in the Netherlands, because I think we just had the highest heat record of all time. So yesterday everyone was just dying a little bit, but now it's like slowly getting a little bit better. But yeah, stay safe, keep it cool, and until the next time.